Master yourself in the field of data science and give a boost to your professional career with Learnbay's Data Science and AI Certification Program co-developed with IBM. This course is specially intended for professionals with 1+ year work experience in both technical and non-technical domain. Want to know the content of the course? Let's now discuss. The course is divided into 5 modules, wherein in Module O you will be learning the basic programming fundamentals like basics of statistics, Python programming, Git and GitHub and more. Module 1 consists of deep knowledge about core Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib and Seaborn. In Module 2, you will experience in-depth study of statistics and machine learning including linear and logistic regression, decision trees, time series and much more. This module is also supported by a capstone project that will help you to understand the concepts better. Module 3 is a mixture of deep learning concepts, Tensor Flow, natural language processing and text analytics, again supported by a capstone project to embrace your learning. And by the end of Module 4, you will be learning SQL, MongoDB, Tableau, Power BI, cloud deployment of ML model using GCP, Hadoop and Apache Spark basics and R programming. Lately, after completing all the modules, you get a chance to test yourselves, which will be examined by the highest of expertise. But do you wonder why to choose this course? Let's now discuss. We have all the reasons for you to choose the course. In this course, you are availed with live interactive classes with best of expertise from the industry. The course is not just centric to theoretical knowledge, but is also supported by 12+ real-world and 2 capstone industry accredited projects with a 1-year flexible subscription. And not just this, the course also offers special support to non-programmers since it covers all the concepts from basics to advanced and no prerequisites are must. To add on to the value of your learning, at the end of the course you will be certified by IBM certifications and get guaranteed job referrals. Let's discuss the projects that will add to your efficacy of the course. You'll be practicing projects from all fields from banking and finance, demand and supply, healthcare, e-commerce, automation, media and entertainment, telecom and much more, wherein you had to apply your skills and brush your concepts to sheen. So what are you waiting for? Get start your career in data science with Learnbay's Data Science and AI Certification Program. For more details and queries, contact us at contacts@learnbay.co or talk to our career counselors for details and queries.